Hello there lovely people, what's up and how you all are doing? So this is KP Styles and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be sharing my Purplle skincare haul with all of you guys. So I have done some skincare shopping from Purplle and this is the package which I have received. So yeah, I would be sharing it with all of you guys, and if you want to know what are all the products which I have purchased, so please keep on watching and please subscribe my channel, like my video and share with your friends, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. And yeah, I would be providing the Insta ID on the screen and the description as well. So without wasting any further time, let's get rolling. Basically I already shot the video like a couple of days back, but unfortunately the video got deleted and I could not recover it back, so I'm just shooting it all over again. So yeah, here I am. Okay, so this is the box which I have received. So it comes in this cardboard packaging like this, and I have only bought the skincare products because I wanted to do a Purplle skincare haul. So yeah, let's get started. First thing which I have purchased is a face wash, which is the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash with tea tree and neem. So it says that it is paraben free, dermatologically tested and suits all the skin types. So the net content of this packaging is 100 ml, like it's a decent packaging, and its price was 249, basically 250 rupees. So I have heard like a lot about Mamaearth products, like they're really amazing, so I thought of going with this one. I was planning on buying the Ubtan face wash, but I would be purchasing that next time. So this time I went with the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. So this is basically for acne and pimples. If you have problem related acne and pimples, so you can go for this thing, because tea tree and neem, both the ingredients are really good for your skin if you have acne and pimple prone skin. So the next thing I bought are toners. So the first toner is this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters, and this suits normal to oily skin, and it says that it is 100% Ayurvedic recipe and extracted from botanicals. So its price was 175, but I got it for 114 rupees in the offer which is going on. Like offer ka fayda to utha lena chahiye. Literally, whenever there is an offer going on, just go for your shopping, because you really get the products in less amount. Okay, so it comes in this cylindrical type of bottle. I think most of the Biotique products are packed like this in this cylindrical form. So I have already told you the price. So it says that this refreshing pore tightening toner brings the complexion into the perfect pH balance and helps keep skin in its purest state. So basically I usually go for cucumber toners. The reason being that cucumber is really good for skin. It helps in refreshing your skin. It maintains the pH balance of your skin. So I really like using cucumber toners. And yeah, so I've already used the Good Vibes cucumber toner and it was really good, so I also bought the Biotique one this time. And also I have bought the Good Vibes cucumber toner. My previous one got finished, so I just thought of going again with this one, because Good Vibes toners are really amazing. And cucumber, it is the Cucumber Glow Toner. Its volume is 120 ml and it says that it has no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and it is cruelty free. Like I think alcohol free toners are really amazing for your skin, and even people who have sensitive skin, they can use it as well. And I think its price was 203 rupees, and also it comes with this spray bottle which is like really convenient to use. But the Biotique one do not comes with a spray, so you need cotton pads or cotton balls to apply it all over your skin. So I think this one is much more convenient, but also its price is a little bit higher than the Biotique one. The next thing which I bought is this Garnier Skin Natural Sheet Mask. So it is the lemon one, I think, and it's the Serum Mask Light Complete. So its price was 99 rupees, but guys, there is an offer going on the Garnier sheet mask, so maybe you can get it for 75 or 69 rupees as well. Like, this is an amazing offer. Okay, so this says super hydrating brightening tissue mask. It has lemon, vitamin C, and I don't know how to pronounce it, some kind of acid. Okay. So basically it says that it is dermatologically tested and it is also suitable for sensitive skin. So basically, if people have issues with their skin, they have sensitive skin, they can also go for this one. And the ingredients which is had lemon, really good for skin, you know, just helps in correcting all the dark spots, acne. The vitamin C, which is also really amazing for your skin. So basically all the ingredients which a lemon has, it has all of that, and it can help you in, you know, reducing your dark spots, dull skin, blah blah blah. Okay, basically you have to keep this thing on your face for 15 minutes. If you keep it longer than that, you may get some irritation on your skin, because you know, it is advised to keep it on your skin for 15 minutes. And I just really like using sheet masks because, you know, they gives you an instant glow on your face. Like whenever you have to go out on a marriage, on a party, on a function, whatever it is, you can just apply a sheet mask and then apply your BB cream. Your face glows like hell. Like, trust me guys, sheet masks are a must have. You should have a sheet mask at your home. And also you can, you know, apply it 2 times. This is what I do. Like, you know, it is said that you have to apply the sheet mask and when you are done, just throw this away, but I do not do that honestly, because the thing is, there is a lot of product left in the sheet mask even after the one application. So I just keep it, I just store it, and I use it one more times. Like, why not? Okay, the next thing which I bought is again a serum. So this is the Good Vibes tea tree and papaya oil control serum. So it has a net value of 10 ml and the price of this one is 169 rupees. Like, there's always offers going on the Good Vibe serum because they are really trending. And yeah, okay, so it contains papaya and tea tree. Okay, so I honestly love both the ingredients of this serum. Like, papaya is said to, you know, even out your skin tone, and tea tree is said that it helps in fading out your acne scars and, you know, your whatever it is, acne scars or dull skin, whatever the thing is. So yeah, this comes with a dropper as well, which is really a plus point in it. So this comes with a dropper. So basically what you have to do is, after washing your face and after applying the toner, you need to take 2 to 3 drops of this particular facial oil and just apply it on your face and massage it. So let me just show you guys applying it. So you really need to take less amount of this, then just gently massage it into your skin. Just avoid the redness of my skin. Like, whenever I apply anything on my skin turns out red. Not because of that I have sensitive skin, it's just that whenever I apply a little bit pressure on my skin, it turns out to be red. Like, you can see that even if I do a little bit of this thing, my cheeks turns out red. So as you can see, it also, you know, gives you a really glowing look. And also it has a little bit of, you know, tea tree fragrance in it. So if you are not comfortable with fragrances, that then I don't think you should go for this one, because it has a really, you know, I will not say mild, but it has a strong tea tree smell which goes away after, you know, some time. But yeah, it is an amazing serum, and this is my first time I have bought this one, because from the last 2 to 3 times I have been buying the Good Vibes Rosehip facial serum and I was obsessing over it. The next thing which I bought are face packs. The first one is this Alps Goodness Neem and Tulsi powder. So basically it's not a complete face pack, it comes in this powder form and you can mix it with, you know, rose water or water, aloe vera gel, like whatever thing you want to mix it with. So when you open it, you get a pack something like this. like it's the complete neem and tulsi powder. You have to open it and mix it with anything you would like to. So it says that you have to take 20 gram of powder and then add it with 100 ml of water to make a paste. And you can also add facial oils in it if you want to. Like you can also add the tea tree and papaya serum or rose hip, or like whichever serum you are comfortable using with, so you can use that. It says that it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps in preventing acne. It makes your skin soft and supple, which we all want. Also, it is created for all the skin types, so if you have sensitive skin, do not worry, you can use this. And it says that it is pesticide and preservative free. Okay, so basically neem and tulsi, we all know that it is an old nuska. You can use neem and tulsi powder on your skin without any doubt. So yeah, this helps in preventing acne, so I thought of going for this one. And its price was like really less. It was for 75 rupees, but in the offer I got it for 56 rupees, like, which is I think a snatch deal. Okay, so the next face pack which I got is again from Alps Goodness. This is the Alps Goodness Cucumber Soothing Face Pack. So it comes in this plastic bottle and it has this light green color. So its price was 99 rupees, but I got it for 74 rupees again in the offer. Basically, after washing your face, you can, after washing, scrubbing and all that stuff, you can apply the face mask on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and when this gets dried out, you can wash it out with water. And also, cucumber is a really soothing agent. It helps in soothing your skin, making your skin soft, and also give you a really refreshing feel, as you all know about cucumber. So yeah, this is the next product. I have bought a lot of Alps Goodness products in this particular haul. So the next thing which I bought is again from Alps Goodness. It is the sandalwood cream. It's like the tiny packaging. I think this is the only pack which comes in this cream. Its net weight is 30 grams and its pack is 75 rupees, but I got it for 60 rupees. So it says that it deeply moisturizes your skin, which is true. Second thing, it says it soothes acne. Like we all know, sandalwood is such an amazing agent, but I don't think it completely has the sandalwood which we call chandan, because it is really costly. Chandan is really costly, and obviously you can't get all the effectiveness of chandan in just a cream. So maybe it would have a little bit of extracts in it, but yeah. And it says it helps brighten skin complexion. So like, let me just show you guys applying this cream a little bit on my face. It smells so good, guys. Like, trust me, it smells so good. Like, this has this really creamy texture, and just look at it. It just brightens your face instantly. It's really amazing. It is really moisturizing. It makes your skin so soft and so smooth. So yeah, this was the next thing which I bought is this tulip cotton patch. So like, it comes in the pack of 4 and its price is 272. Like, I think it's a nice deal because you are getting 4 pack of the cotton pads. So basically they are dual textured. It has stitched edges. Like, it's really amazing because obviously you need cotton pads to apply your toners, or maybe in removing your makeup, applying the makeup remover and all that stuff. And I sometimes also use them for removing my nail paint. Like, this works amazing. So yeah, this was the last thing. So in one pack you got 50 pieces. So if you are getting 4 packs, like 200 pieces for 272, like, I don't think it's a bad deal because the quality of these cotton pads are really amazing. Okay, so that is it, guys. This was my Purplle haul, and these are all the products which I bought from Purplle. So yeah, if you would have liked this video, please do not forget to give my video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe this channel, and do not forget to share it with your friends. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.